In English, word order determines who does what. The girl loves the sailor means something different from the sailor loves the girl. Latin works differently. Listen.
Filia agricole nauta mamat.
3 nouns, 3 different case endings. Those endings reveal the subject, the object, and the possessor, regardless of word order. This lesson teaches you the 3 most essential Latin cases. 5 new first declension nouns for this lesson.
Dea,
Means goddess. Think of the English word deity.
Diāna.
Diana, the Roman goddess of hunting and the moon.
Fera,
A wild beast. The English word fierce shares this Latin root.
Latona.
Latona, the mother of Diana in Roman mythology.
Sagitta.
An arrow. This word gives us the constellation name Sagittarius. All 5 decline like other first declension nouns you already know. 1 new verb.
Necat.
Means kills or is killing. 2 new interrogative pronouns.
Quis.
Means who. This is a nominative form used to ask about the subject.
Cuius.
Means whose. This is a genitive form used to ask about the possessor. 3 words you already know.
Est.
Is,
Sunt.
and this word is a conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or sentences. 3 rules define how these cases work. Rule 1. Nominative for the subject. The subject of a finite verb stands in the nominative and answers who or what.
Filia.
Is a nominative singular form. Rule 2. Accusative for the direct object. The direct object of a transitive verb stands in the accusative and answers whom or what.
Nautam.
Notice the M at the end. That M marks the accusative singular. Rule 3. Genitive for the possessor. The word denoting the owner stands in the genitive and answers whose.
Agricole.
This ending marks the genitive singular. Now apply all 3 rules to one sentence. Listen.
Filia agricole nauta mamat.
The farmer's daughter loves the sailor. Start with the verb.
Amat.
Loves? Ask who loves. The answer is the nominative subject.
Filia.
Daughter, now ask, loves whom? The answer is the accusative direct object.
Nautam.
Sailor, the M at the end signals the accusative. Finally ask, whose daughter? The answer is the genitive possessor.
Agricole.
Of the farmer. One important caution. This same ending also marks the nominative plural. Context and the rest of the sentence tell you which. Hear the full sentence once more.
Filia agricole nauta mamat.
Time to practice. Translate each sentence.
Diāna es dea.
Diana is a goddess.
Diāna et Latona sunt de.
Diana and the Latona are goddesses. Notice the nominative plural.
Diāna es dea lun.
Diana is the goddess of the moon. The genitive singular marks what she governs.
Diāna et filia Latona.
Diana is the daughter of Latona. Translate.
Latona Diāna mamat.
Latona loves Diana. The M ending makes Diana the object, not the subject. Translate.
Diāna sagitta sporta.
Diana carries arrows. Translate.
Diāna fera silvene cat.
Diana kills the wild beasts of the forest. Accusative for the beast. Genitive for the forest. Translate.
Fere terrarum pugnant.
The wild beasts of the lands fight. Now translate English into Latin. The daughter of Latona loves the forests.
Filia Latone silvas amat.
Next, Latona's daughter carries arrows.
Filia Latone sagitta sportat.
Last, Diana's arrows are killing the wild beasts of the land.
Sagitte Diāne fera terre ne camp.
Notice the verb changes to the plural form to match a plural subject. Final challenge, answer each question in Latin.
Quis est Diāna?
Who is Diana?
Diāna est dea.
Next question.
Cuius filia est Diāna?
Whose daughter is Diana?
Diāna est filia Latōna.
Final question.
Quis Diāna mamat?
Who loves Diana?
Latōna Diāna mamat.
3 cases, 3 roles. Nominative for the subject, accusative for the direct object, genitive for the possessor. 8 new words practiced through Diana's world of forests, arrows, and wild beasts. Case endings, not word order, carry the meaning in Latin. Next lesson expands your mastery with new patterns. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI-graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.